Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Rockstar games to Steam. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Steam application. Here you can see that I opened it in my PC. Then you simply need to click on add a game, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on add a non-Steam game. Wait for a few seconds and here you can see a complete list. So you simply need to find the Rockstar Games launcher, click here and click on add selected programs. So how you can check that it is connected or not, so you simply need to click on games and here you can see view games library and here you can see Rockstar Games launcher. So this is the process how you can connect Rockstar games to Steam. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.